Welcome back for my final daily report market video with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech on Tuesday the 21st of May. Looking at gold, which has had this selling pressure coming through in the past week. Little bit of a consolidation yesterday, but shading back lower again today. But you look at the fact that the market is under pressure still. It is putting pressure on this uptrend, this 9-month uptrend that's been in place and got tested back in early May and held. It's holding at the moment, but the pressure is mounting, isn't it? That uptrend comes in at 1272 today, which basically is where yesterday's low was at 1273. And it's sort of consolidating a little bit, but I think the pressure is still there. And given the fact that the dollar is still strengthening, gold is under pressure, it's not really got any real traction at all. Well, I say any real traction, is actually unwound entirely the traction, the upside that it got from the safe haven positioning on the escalation of the US-China trade dispute, and that's entirely unwound with all these negative candles in recent days. A little bit of a consolidation yesterday on that doji. However, today's move is back lower again. You can see that on the hourly chart. You're still correctively configured, and I spoke previously about this 1278 level of which had been a pivot throughout April and May, again becoming a basis of resistance overhead in the in the last 24 hours or so, a basis of resistance at 1278. So the fact that that comes with negative configuration on momentum indicators, RSI sort of not really able to get above 50 when previously struggled at 60, so it's falling at lower levels. MACD lines now struggling underneath neutral. It looks as like rallies are a chance to sell on gold. And a test of that, I mean, the key support is 1266. That is undoubted because that's the key early May low, which has been the low actually dating back for the whole of this year. But the uptrend support is at 1273, and if you start to break below that uptrend, we are really in last chance saloon for the bulls. Momentum indicators negatively configured on the daily, looking set to turn lower on the or cross lower on the MACD lines. Yeah, the pressure is certainly still there. Closing breach of 1266 opens 1240, really, as an old pivot line. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow.